Hey lovebirds! Planning your honeymoon and not sure where to go? Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious escape, an adventurous getaway, or something budget-friendly, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll dive into the most romantic destinations, top honeymoon resorts, affordable options, and even packing tips to make your trip unforgettable. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the ultimate romantic destinations. Imagine strolling hand in hand on the white sandy beaches of the Maldives, staying in an overwater bungalow, and watching the sunset from a private deck. Or picture yourself in Santorini, Greece, with its iconic whitewashed buildings, breathtaking caldera views, and those magical Mediterranean sunsets. And then there's Bali, where you can explore lush greenery, stunning waterfalls, and enjoy a couple's massage in a serene jungle setting. These spots are perfect for creating memories you'll cherish forever. Now, let's dive into some of the best places to stay. For the ultimate luxury, check out Sonavajani in the Maldives. It's famous for its overwater villas with private pools and retractable roofs for stargazing. In Santorini, the Canavs Oya suites offer infinity pools with jaw-dropping views of the Aegean Sea. For a serene escape in Bali, stay at the Hanging Gardens of Bali, where you can enjoy their iconic twin infinity pools overlooking the jungle. These resorts aren't just about luxury, they're about experiences tailored just for you too. Looking for romance without breaking the bank? Consider destinations like Thailand, with its beautiful beaches and affordable luxury resorts. Or head to Portugal, where you can explore charming towns, stunning coastlines, and enjoy delicious wine all on a budget. And don't forget about Mexico, where places like Tulum offer romantic vibes at a fraction of the cost of other tropical destinations. Plus, here's a tip: traveling during the shoulder season or using travel rewards can save you big bucks. Not every honeymoon is about lounging on a beach. Some couples crave adventure. In Iceland, you can explore stunning glaciers, hike waterfalls, and even soak in the Blue Lagoon. For wildlife lovers, an African safari offers once-in-a-lifetime experiences, like spotting the Big Five in Kenya or Tanzania. Or venture to Patagonia, where you can trek through breathtaking landscapes and marvel at towering glaciers. These destinations combine romance with adrenaline, perfect for adventurous couples. Now let's talk packing. Here's how to prepare for any destination. For beach honeymoons, pack lightweight clothes, swimsuits, sunscreen, and a wide-brimmed hat. For colder climates, don't forget layers, thermal wear, and sturdy boots. And for adventures, think compact backpacks, travel-friendly shoes, and waterproof gear. Don't forget essentials like travel documents, chargers, and a first aid kit. Packing smart means less stress and more fun. I hope this guide has inspired you to plan the honeymoon of your dreams. Which destination caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and happy honeymooning!